If you just got an iPhone or you've just set up your phone number and you don't remember what that phone number is, you can always find it in the Settings app of your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how to do that. Let's first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now you can either manually navigate to it, or I usually just tap on Search and search for Phone, and then tap on the Phone app. Now within the phone app, it's super easy because you can see midway down it says My Number, and it has the country code as well as the area code. So just tap on that. Of course, you can always change or edit your phone number if you didn't want that exact same one. So you can just choose to change it in here. However, keep in mind you can also go back out of here, and another place that you can find it is just by tapping on Cellular within your settings. And then scrolling down, and there you can see your eSIM as well as your phone number associated with that eSIM on your iPhone. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.